Greetings students. In this module, we will discuss about the various types of chemical reaction. So there are number of types of chemical reaction. For example, combination reaction, decomposition reaction, displacement reaction, double displacement reaction, neutralization reaction, and oxidation reduction, or simply we can say redox reactions. So out of these different types of chemical reaction, in this module we will discuss two types of chemical reaction. First is combination reaction and the second one is decomposition reaction. So one of the difference between these two, कि इसमें क्या होगा in combination reaction, as the name suggests, two or more element and compound or compound and compound combine together to produce a single product. कि इसमें क्या होगा, एक दो तीन चार कितने भी रिएक्टेंट हैं वो आपस में कंबाइन कर रहे हैं, बट ईच एंड एवरी टाइप ऑफ केमिकल रिएक्शन ओनली सिंगल प्रोडक्ट विल बी फॉर्म, कि एक ही कंपाउंड बनेगा, एक से ज्यादा नहीं बनेंगे. अगर एक से ज्यादा बनेंगे तो दैट विल बी ऑफ डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ रिएक्शन. सो मीन रिएक्शन इन विच टू और मोर एलिमेंट और कंपाउंड कंबाइन टुगेदर टू फॉर्म ए सिंगल कंपाउंड, कि दो या दो से ज्यादा एलिमेंट भी कंबाइन कर सकते हैं आपस में. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, see the second reaction, carbon plus oxygen. Carbon is element, oxygen is element. They are combining with each other to produce carbon dioxide gas. Similarly, the first example, burning of magnesium ribbon, we have already discussed in the activity part. So magnesium plus oxygen, magnesium is element, oxygen is element, combining together to produce magnesium oxide. Similarly, the third reaction is an example of compound plus compound. The compound is reacting with the another compound to form a single product. Quicklime react with the water. उसको चूना होता है जो हमारा, उसको हम क्या बुलाते हैं, क्विकलाइम. उसको हम वाटर में ऐड करते हैं, it will produce calcium hydroxide, or simply we can say slaked lime. Slaked lime. So this is an example of compound and compound. So there is one more category in which any element react with the compound. So see this reaction in which chlorine is reacting with the hydrogen. This is an example of element and element, because hydrogen is an element, chlorine is an element, reacting together to produce HCl. Next is carbon monoxide, CO. Carbon monoxide is a compound of carbon and oxygen reacting with an element oxygen to produce carbon dioxide. So this is an example of carbon monoxide reacting with the oxygen. So compound element, element and element, compound and compound, element and element, element and element. कि the main thing, main criteria or main property by which we can classify them as the combination reaction is कि how whatever the number of reactants combining with each other, every time there will be a single compound or single product. So this is the reaction in which combination to form single product. The second category of reaction is exactly opposite. Exactly opposite mean इसमें combine करके single product बन रहा है, उसमें क्या होगा, single product टूटेगा और दो या दो से ज्यादा एलिमेंट, कंपाउंड और जो भी पॉसिबिलिटीज होंगी वो बनेगा. So that is the exactly opposite. Exactly opposite is called decomposition reaction. As the name suggests, decompose, टूट जाना. So in this type of reaction, single compound, उसमें single compound बना था, इसमें single compound टूट जाएगा, कि single compound break down to give two or more simpler substances. कि कोई भी substance है या ingredient है या कोई भी चीज है, अगर वो टूटेगी तो कम से कम दो में तो टूटेगी ना. That is why I have written two. So at least by decomposition, two products will be formed. So reaction in which a single compound break down to give two or more simple substances. There are three types of decomposition reaction: thermal decomposition, electrolytic, photo decomposition, or simply say photolysis. So if someone asks you write the definition of thermal decomposition reaction, write first the definition of decomposition reaction. You only have to add one line. Means reaction in which a single compound break down to give two or more simpler substances. In case of thermal, in presence of heat is called thermal decomposition. In presence of electricity electrolytic decomposition reaction. In presence of photo mean light. In presence of light, then it will be called photo decomposition reaction, or simply say photolysis. Photo mean light, lysis mean breakdown. The breakdown of a substance in presence of light. So we will discuss the examples of these three categories. These four examples, 1, 2, 3 and 4, these are all example of thermal decomposition reaction. The decomposition reaction that take place in presence of heat is called thermal decomposition reaction. So the first two are the activity based questions that generally comes in the board exam. So there are different manner in which these two have been asked number of times. For example, first is the thermal decomposition of lead nitrate. Lead nitrate is PbNO3 twice. Initially it is a white color powder. Upon heating means upon providing heat, कि हम क्या करते हैं, एक टेस्ट ट्यूब लेंगे, टेस्ट ट्यूब के अंदर हम क्या डाल देंगे, lead nitrate, and start heating that test tube. After some time you will see the brown color fumes, कि brown color का धुआं निकलना शुरू हो जाएगा, and those brown color fumes is due to the nitrogen dioxide that is released during the thermal decomposition. और शुरू में पाउडर व्हाइट होता है, ब्राउन कलर के फ्यूम्स निकलते हैं, और उसके बाद क्या हो जाएगा, ये जो व्हाइट कलर का पाउडर है उसका कलर चेंज होकर क्या हो जाएगा, येलो. सो द क्वेश्चन that comes in the board exam based upon this first reaction, they will give you a statement कि someone is heating the lead nitrate, and upon lead nitrate there is a colored gas is released and some yellow color substance is left behind after the decomposition. So write the name and formula of the yellow color compound plus the brown color fume. So yellow color compound which is formed by the thermal decomposition of lead nitrate is lead oxide. The brown color fumes are due to the nitrogen dioxide, NO2. And in the third part they can ask you write the full chemical equation or reaction. So this question generally comes in the 3 marks. So 1 mark for the lead oxide and its formula, 1 mark for the brown fume nitrogen dioxide or NO2, and the third one is to write the full chemical equation. Most probably they will ask you write the balanced chemical equation. So we have already discussed how to balance, so you can balance it. Second question that comes from this activity part is ferrous sulfate dot 7H2O. So ferrous sulfate, the general name for this is green vitriol. So general name for ferrous sulfate is green vitriol. So green vitriol upon thermal decomposition first convert into ferrous sulfate, means first it will lose these 7 molecule of water, and these 7 molecule of water are called water of crystallization. कि एक molecule अगर हम ferrous sulfate लेंगे तो उसके अंदर 7 molecule किसके होंगे, water of crystallization के. तो initially जब हम heat करेंगे it will form ferrous sulfate. तो इसके अंदर water के molecule हैं तो it is called hydrous. इसमें से water के molecule remove हो गए, it is called anhydrous. लेकिन जैसे जैसे हम heat करते रहेंगे similar to that of lead nitrate, उसका कलर क्या हो जाएगा, चेंज हो जाएगा. Initially the color will be green and upon thermal decomposition it will form iron oxide or ferric oxide, sulfur dioxide and sulfur trioxide. And question can be like this, write the observations, 2 observations upon heating the green vitriol. So first is formation of reddish brown solid substance, second is smell of burning sulfur, कि sulfur को जब हम burn करते हैं तो उसकी एक specific smell होती है. So that you will observe upon heating of. So these two are the important reactions of first chapter, because most number of time you will get questions from these two. We have already discussed what type of question, either in the form of write the observation of the reaction, or they will give you activity form and ask you name the formula for the yellow color solid, the brown color fumes. I have also written few more examples of the thermal decomposition reaction. Third is limestone. Limestone, the chemical formula for or chemical name for limestone is calcium carbonate. It is also called the general name for this calcium carbonate is limestone, marble, chalk. So upon thermal decomposition it will break down. Always write the physical state. Upon breakdown, thermal decomposition, it will break down into calcium oxide plus carbon dioxide. Next is calamine. This calamine is used in the cosmetic purpose in the name of calamine lotion, or as a skin lotion. Next is zinc carbonate upon thermal decomposition will form zinc oxide plus carbon dioxide. So they both are quite similar to each other. So these are the few of the example of first category of reaction, which is called thermal decomposition. Next we will discuss the electrolytic decomposition reaction. So the simplest of electrolytic decomposition reaction is water in liquid state. We will pass the electricity and next is small amount of acid. It will break down to give hydrogen and oxygen gas. Similarly, in case of molten sodium chloride, की नमक लेते हैं, उसको हीट करते हैं, मेल्ट करते हैं, then again we will pass the electricity. It will give sodium in the solid form plus chlorine gas. So these are few of the example of electrolytic decomposition. इसमें क्या हो रहा है, सिंगल रिएक्टेंट है और वो टूट के क्या बना रहा है, टू और मोर प्रोडक्ट. So this is the example of electrolytic decomposition reaction. Next we will discuss the photolytic decomposition. So one more question that comes from the decomposition reaction is in the form of activity similar to these two are the photo decomposition reaction. So first example of photo decomposition reaction is silver chloride in presence of light. For the light, either you can write in the form of word light or you can write this symbol. This is not the V, this is nu, which is the symbol for frequency, H nu, and upon in presence of light it will form silver plus chlorine gas. Silver will be in solid form. कि जनरली क्वेश्चन कैसे आता है कि आपके पास एक चाइना डिश है, उसमें एक वाइट कलर का सब्सटेंस था, उसको हमने सनलाइट में बाहर रख दिया. सनलाइट में बाहर रखने के बाद क्या हो जाता है, एक ग्रे कलर की मेटेलिक लेयर आ जाती है थोड़ी देर के बाद. तो वो किसकी वजह से आती है, एंड ऑल्सो राइट द केमिकल रिएक्शन. सो दैट ग्रे कलर लेयर इज द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ सिल्वर ऑन दैट पर्टिकुलर पाउडर. की लाइट पड़ती है उसके ऊपर, वो धीरे धीरे क्या होता है, इट विल कंटिन्यू टू डिकम्पोज एंड इट विल फॉर्म सिल्वर मेटल. और सिल्वर मेटल की एक क्या आ जाती है, लेयर आ जाती है ग्रे कलर की शाइनिंग. एंड सिमिलरली इन केस ऑफ silver bromide, same you can write light, silver plus chlorine. Same in this case, silver in the form of solid. And one more question that comes from this photo decomposition reaction is what is the use of these two chemical reactions. So these chemical reactions were used in black and white photography. Previously when we were using the black and white photographs, so those were used, these reactions were used in the black and white photography. So they can give you the question or they can ask you write the chemical reaction of black and white photography, then you have to write this either in the form of activity, the gray color substance. So this is what all about the three parts of decomposition reaction. So in this module we discuss about combination and decomposition reaction. Combination, two or more substances mean element, compound, combine with each other to produce single product. Decomposition is exactly opposite, when a single reactant break down to give two or more products. So they are exactly opposite to each other, but be careful about that. इसमें क्या होगा, सिर्फ सिंगल प्रोडक्ट बनेगा और इसमें क्या होगा, सिंगल रिएक्टेंट होगा. एक से ज्यादा उसके मॉलिक्यूल हो सकते हैं, बट on the left hand side you will only find single reactant, on the right hand side you will find single product. So question can also be in the write the difference between combination and decomposition reaction. So you can write in the column form, first write their definition, then write two or three examples. Next is it has three types, it has only one type. So this is what all about the first two types of chemical reactions. So all of you, those who haven't written in the notebook, they can write these reactions by taking the screenshot of this board. So thank you students.